But that actually is not true, Judge Celi. You mentioned this case twice.
So what I wanted to assist with was that in the course of a criminal trial or was in the course of an opposed application?
It was in the course of a criminal trial.
Commissioner Ngaito, do you still want
Thank you. Yes, I do. One of the judgments, I have 2 points to raise with you. One of the judgments you put up is the judgment of S versus Kanyele,
Yes.
which you refused bail to Kanyele, who was at the time a Fees Must Fall activist.
Yes.
I don't understand why you put that judgment up as an important judgment, given that it took an hour for the Constitutional Court to release him for 250 rand.
Well, I wasn't there, firstly, Commissioner Nwetobi, and you appeared before me when you were dealing with a bail appeal. You appeared, and I wrote a judgment, and I assume that the matter, because I assume that you approached the SCA, I assume that you approached the SCA in order for you to eventually go to the Constitutional Court. But as you say correctly so, there is no judgment in the matter. So whatever it is that you say, I cannot vouch for it. But there is no judgment in the matter.
No, I understand that. I'm not asking about that. I'm asking why you thought the judgment is significant to be put up as one of your top 10, because it was run-on-the-mill application of the bail legal principles on the facts of Mr. Kanyele.
I put it up as one of the matters which were taken up on appeal, unsuccessfully in my view, because it ended up in the Constitutional Court, and in the Constitutional Court, there was no judgment. I was not able to find that the magistrate was wrong. That's the reason why I refused the appeal. But again, going back to your question, I put it up simply because I was called upon to put up matters that were unsuccessfully appealed against.
But that actually is not true, Judge Celi. You mentioned this case twice. At 16.1, you asked to list the cases where you've written judgment, not more than 10, which you regard as being the most significant, and why.
Can I ask you about something else?
Yes.
I was not understanding your ruling recently in S versus Zuma, where you first decided that you were not going to give written reasons for a decision not to recuse Mr. Downer.
Yeah.
And then you changed your ruling and you postponed the case in order to give reasons. Now,
Not more